Hello everybody and welcome back to another pack opening. Today we got a single box of the 2021 Tin of Ancient Battles. I ended up finding this for a good price, so decided to try my luck and see what happens here. Let's get this plastic opened up. These tins are quite nice. Store your cards in here, add a bunch of other things. They actually include 3 mega packs that have 18 cards in them each. Now, I've opened quite a few of the 2022s and had some decent luck, but I found some 2021s on the shelf and decided that I'd like to give these ones a try. If it goes good, I might buy a few more. So let's go ahead and start with pack number 1. It's got a Dark Templar at Ignister, Melfi Playhouse, Gookie Ironclaw, Melfi Puppy, Torpedo Takedown, Gusari at Ignister, Adamantipator Analyzer. I really like Adamanticipators. I play them a lot in Master Duel. Linguribo, Fusion Deployment, Dogmatica Theo the Iron Punch, Opening of the Spirit Gates, Virtual World Beast Juju, Xiaoju, I don't know, Gachari at Ignister, Melfi Rabby, Marensis Basalima, Infernity Doom Archfiend, AI Shadow, and Deep Sea Artisan. That's pretty good there. Fusion Deployment's actually a good card. A lot of the branded Despia players play that right now and like to play that. Easy access to Cartesia. Pack number 2. AI's Ritual, Melfi Mommy, Fury of Kairu Shin, for all those Yumi control players out there, Rika Queen, Strenna, Soldier Gaia the Fierce Knight, Dark Lord Uprising. I actually really like Dark Lords. They're one of my favorite archetypes, especially when you mix them with Branded. They're really fun to play. Arc Rebellion Xyz Dragon, Heavy Forward, Dogmatica Ashion, King Beast Barbaros, Crossout Designator. That's a good card there. That's a nice staple to have. I actually need another copy of this. I already have one. I was actually looking at picking up another, but now I only have to pick up one. Virtual World Phoenix Fan, Hanazumi Hanabi, Winged Pegasus at Ignister. Good card to use off Dogmatica Punishment too. Infernoble Knight, Crimson Resonator, Capricious Dark Lord, and Flourishing Frolic. And last, on to pack number 3. We got AIQ, Cyberse Accelerator, Bellcat Fighter, Gookie the Power Lord Ogre, Feedran the Winds of Mischief, Buzzsaw Shark, and for Noble Arms Joyous, Armory Call, Drytron Zeta Aldaba, Dogmatica Aiden the Enlightened, Virtual World Kyron Lili, Virtual World Gate Qinglong, 9 Lives Cat, Redeemable Jar, Dorama Dropper, Gaia the Magical Knight, Dogmatica Nation, and Junk Sleep. That actually wasn't too bad. We got some really good pulls today. The best of those probably be in Fusion Deployment. I think Lean Uribo is probably a pretty good pool if you're still out there getting ably locked. And for sure, the Crossout Designator was probably my best and favorite pool out of this. If you guys enjoy this and want to see some more, please like, comment, and share. And I will be back here next time I pick up another pack. Thank you guys.